Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most attractive and beautiful designing ideas of crochet blankets. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs and very attractive patterns with double crochet stitch in these designs. And all of these designs are mostly made with contrasting color schemes, and you can see 7 to 8 contrasting colors are used in most of these designs, and all of these designs are different from each other in their patterns. You will see patchwork patterns in this video as well, and you will see one row or two row repeat patterns in this video, and all of these patterns are very unique and attractive, and double crochet stitch is used as major stitch in most of these patterns. You can see simple V stitch pattern, you will see shell stitch pattern designing ideas, you will see Afghan square flower patterns, you will see granny square patterns and solid granny square patterns used in these designs as well. And in a few of the designs, some other patterns are also included. Like you can see this beautiful design having different patches of granny strips made in different colors, and this one is pure granny square pattern, and you can see this beautiful design as well having 2 row or 3 row repeat pattern in it. So you can see border edging designs on these patterns as well. Different kinds of border edging designs are made. In some of the designs, simple pattern is made without any border edging design. Like you can see this very attractive and beautiful corner to corner design which is made with rainbow colors. So you can use rainbow colors if you are a lover of different, unique and bright colors as well, and you can take ideas of light color schemes used in some of the blankets in this video as well. So you can just take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself and by yourself at home very easily if you know crochet work, because almost all of these patterns are very attractive and beginner friendly patterns, and you can find tutorial videos of some of the patterns already available on my channel as well. You can find solid granny square patchwork and granny square patterns and other some specific patterns of round laced doilies as well. So you can find different kinds of crochet tutorial videos available on my channel, and with these patterns you can make any size of blanket. You can make baby blankets with these same patterns as well, and I have uploaded some designs on my channel as well, so you can check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.